Okay, so there's a cell tower right there. There's another one right there next to me. Okay, right there. Okay, 0 service. You can literally see the cell tower. And then I have 0 service. So I'm curious. I don't know why we need all these cell towers. When we are up in a plane, we have plane mode on, and we don't have cell towers up there. So how is it that we're able to communicate with our families? How do they have Wi-Fi if they don't have cell towers in the air? Right? Just curious, right? I mean, I am right next to that freaking thing, and I have 0 service. None. I couldn't make a call if I wanted to right now. Not to mention, I just passed one on the other side of me, and I know that there are more within a mile from where I am right now. So I'm wondering, again, why do we need so many cell towers? Just curious. Can you figure it out? Is it possible that they could be a weapon against humanity? Just curious, because I have researched it, and they use microwave radiation, and they use sound technology that has been linked to cervical and brain cancer at low levels to carry the 5G, because 5G doesn't travel very far. But they have to turn it up to carry the 5G. So at low levels, it's causing cervical cancer, brain cancer, breast cancer. But now they're turning it up to carry the 5G. What do you think that's going to do to people? With all of these towers everywhere. Do you think you're going to be able to escape it? You're not. I live on Cape Cod. There's no escaping it. Nope. There's no place to get away from it. I have at least 4 or 5 cell towers within a mile of my home and a mile of my business. Do you think I'm going to stay here? I'm not. I will not. If they don't take down these cell towers, I'm out of here.